Hello all. In this video, I'll be sharing some informative tip regarding Canva. If you're a regular Canva user, I hope it will be useful for you, right? I'm checking into the Safari browser now in the homepage of Canva. So I'll be choosing the YouTube banner design, and I'll be choosing some random designs, which is very free. And because I'm not a premium customer, so I'll be choosing the share option and then download. So as we all know that if you're not a premium customer, we cannot resize the pixel size pixels. As you can see that I can drag the mouse here. You can see that I cannot resize the pixel. So I'll be choosing PDF print option and then download. Once I download this file, I choose free online conversion tools. Like I chose ilovepdf.com, and so select the PDF file you want, which we downloaded, right? And then it will be a prompt to ask for a normal or a high quality image. I'll be choosing the high quality, convert to JPG format. So the file starts downloading. And yes, it is downloaded. So I'll zoom into the pic. You can see that the picture quality is all the way better, right? I hope this is informative. See you in the next one. Bye bye.